Alright, someone was asking me, please show me how to separate this bezel. So I'm here again. You just need this kind of knife and find a gap between the bezel and the main body. Twist a little bit. Don't lose your small balls like this. Now you can see the balls and there are springs inside. Total 4. Okay, very important things, guys. I said there are 4 little springs, right? It's really tiny and it's really easy to lose some air. So when you open it, please prepare something on the table before you open it, and then you can keep the small balls and springs safely. Okay. When I clean up a little bit with the toilet paper, I dropped 1 spring here. I need to put back. And then to put your bearing back, you need to place the balls at the right spot. Shit. Drop it. Okay. I'll drop it again. Actually. Okay. The last one is ready. Just need to clean a bit for this bezel. Okay, I've just washed it with water and just rinse the holes. Yeah, it's easy. And actually you need to find the right direction. For example, you need to match one side to one pole, so 4 directions, and anywhere you can fit actually. So just match just one spot. Yes, 30, so I will put 30 in here and then push it. Let me check it. And then hold on. Bye guys.